Mrs. Lasalas.
We are in vegan now, the house of the Donatos.
Kema Donato.
Kema Donato, the first cousin
That
of
is my
Marilyn.
grandfather.
Ay,
Now.
nanagan mo, the first
Marvy.
name mo? Marvy. Uy, this is the old vegan beds with cortina noon. And that's your grandfather.
That's
Wow.
the grandfather, my grandfather now, the father of my dad.
You really preserve it, huh?
Yeah, where did you saw it before?
Oh my goodness. We are in vegan now. Ang ganda, no? That's Russell. Aba. Wow. Kung matutulog tayo dito, maglatag tayo ng buong bani. Aba, si Donya, maruha.
Mirror. Ito yung Grand Manila.
Wow, yan ang mga priceless, yung mga ganyang pictures.
My grandparents.
Wow. This is the Kema Donatos vegan ancestral. Oh boy. Yan ang mga pictures. My God. Anti-training, Telma June. Ito yung picture. Antique.